I fuck the bitches in my phone. You're not my girlfriend. I just took a flick with your girlfriend. I been kicking shit with your girlfriend. I just smoked a blunt with your girlfriend. I think that I'm done with your girlfriend. All up in my business, she been lurking. I been tryna tell her about it ain't working. I think that I'm done with your girlfriend. I just smoked a blunt with your girlfriend.
Alright, hey y'all. In today's video, I'm trying to start a series where I do Pride makeup looks for a whole week. So hopefully I stay consistent. I got my music in the background. I'm going to try to do 2 looks right here so I can make 2 videos, and then I'm going to try to upload a video every day of this week. If not, then y'all still going to get some Pride looks, because I'm trying to do this to recover because I haven't been here in a long time. But yeah, we're going to start. I don't know what I'm doing today. I don't know what the look is going to be, so we'll just see as we go along. So I'm starting off with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this purple color right here, and my BH 101 brush. Hopefully I'm in focus.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you make them just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
What I did so far was I added green, I added blue, and then I added purple. I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. And then we're going to cut the crease. And then I'm going to add, I think I probably going to do like red, orange, yellow. So, yeah. I'm going to come back when I'm done, and then we're going to cut the crease.
Under your spotlight.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. Why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything.
This is what we got so far. I'm ready to change my camera battery. But we're gonna be using the NYX Face and Body Glitters in GLI 05. Oh, in gold. And I'm gonna put it on with my NYX glitter primer, but I'm gonna put it in my crease like that, and then like that. I don't know if y'all remember, but a while ago I told y'all that this, either the glitter or the glue, itches my eyes so bad. I don't know what it is, but it's itching so bad. So y'all, this is the look. I'm ready to go curl my hair and then put some lip gloss on, and we're gonna come back and see the finished result.
That's a vibe, that's a vibe, that's a vibe. Oh, that's a vibe, yeah, yeah, that's a vibe. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. That's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe. Am I your type? Pussy tight, maybe I'll spend the night, yeah, yeah. That's a vibe. What's it, why? That's the type of shit I like, yeah, yeah. That's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, yeah.